Setting up TradeStation for day trading involves optimizing the platform for fast decision making and quick trade execution. Here's how to do it. Open and fund your account. Create a TradeStation account. Ensure you have a margin account, as it's typically required for day trading. Fund the account with the necessary capital to meet margin requirements. Customize your layout. Workspaces. Open the TradeStation platform and create a workspace. Arrange essential windows such as charts, order entry, quotes, and positions. Multiple monitors. If available, use multiple monitors for real-time charts, watch lists, and order management to maximize efficiency. Set up real-time data feeds. Real-time data. Make sure you have subscribed to real-time market data for the assets you're trading, whether it's stocks, options, or futures. Configure order entry tools. Matrix tool. Use the matrix for quick buy and sell decisions. It allows for fast order placement and management in one window. Hotkeys. Set up hotkeys for fast execution, enabling you to enter and exit trades instantly with predefined settings like quantity and order type. Use alerts and watch lists. Watch lists. Create watch lists to track high volume stocks or other instruments you're interested in day trading. Alerts. Set up price or volume alerts to notify you of key trading opportunities.